So hello and welcome to the channel, and today, as you can see over here, this light is broken on this car, Ford Focus MK4 station wagon, but I'm gonna show you how to remove this one and other ones as well. So let's start with that one that it's broken. What we need to do, you need to take this bad boy out. Here you can see these screws. You need to take those bad boys out. It's not that they are quite long, so let me take them out. So as you can see, they are quite long. If it does not go really nice, somebody tried to change this or something like that, since they are a little bit damaged. After that, here you have this pin. It's over here that you need to plug in, plug out. So this one is broken, so I can do it without thinking much about it. But somewhere around over here you can see there is this pin, and that's the hardest part for taking this bad boy out. So this pin over here. After that you have this electricity. You take it out. You need to go inside, find where it's plugged. You plug it in. As you can see over here where it's located. It's not that hard to take out. You just click over here and pull out, and then what you need to do is take this bad boy, this gum that prevents any type of water to get in. So like that. So one hand a little bit harder, but as you can see, this one is a little bit broken over here. Nothing overly too fancy. So this side as well. Again, we have these two screws. Usually when it's harder to turn it around, I use just to start, because once you start, it's not that hard after that. So take it out. They are quite long. I don't know why. As you can see here, active park assist model is over here, so if you need to change that bad boy, yeah. So as you can see, I'm gonna take out the electricity once again. So this piece, and now we will see if this will go easy as that one. So again, you need to be extra careful with this. You don't wanna break anything. So around over here, you push a little bit. As you can see, this one, I'm kind of lucky. This one will go out as well, quite easy. So I'm in a bit of luck. I mean, this car is 2020, I believe, so it's not that. As you can see, this yellow piece does come out, so that's the biggest problem for this. So let me just push out with two hands. So you just move it a little bit up and down, and it should go like that. Usually this should stay on the car, but yeah, if you're lucky like I am right now, it does go like that quite easy. So you just need to pull this gummy piece out and pull out the cable, and then as you can see one lamp out. So left one, it was broken already, so I didn't try that hard, but as you can see these two bad boys, if you cannot come out pull it really easily, you can always take this plastic cover, it does go out, so you have more wiggle space like this. So, and you put it back the same way you took it out, so then you have a little bit more room to wiggle it around. So that's about those, and now let's move to the ones on the hood. So usually it should be easy to just take it out with hands, but let me use some tools. So somewhere around here you use your plastic tool and pull it out. Over here you have just one of these bad boys. So once you turn it a little bit, it goes quite easy after that. This one is not that long as the other ones, but still long enough. And there is only one of these, and this electricity piece, and then you need to go from the, you put the hood down. So once you put the hood down, just go a little bit wiggly. As you can see over here, there's that one, and here is that little pin again that you need to take out. So I'm gonna use plastic tool again. So once you know where it is, so it's over here, you take and just push a little bit. Let me use this with two hands. So this one was quite hard to take out, to be honest, but what you can do, you can put a plastic tool inside of here, so you put it over here and then little bit wiggly, as you can see over here, where you need to push it a little bit. But I don't know why Ford made this like that, but here we have, and this one are LED lights, so quite should be not that expensive, but still you never know. So and this one over here as well. So let me show you the other side. So once again you take out this, take out the cover, unscrew that bad boy over here. So take that out. These are not that hard to remove. The side ones are quite hard, because you can always break something. Now put the hood down, and same as before, little wiggly, and that is probably over again harder than the usual suspect. So as you can see over here, it's a little bit harder than I was thinking. So a little bit wiggly, a little bit push over here, and then you can take everything out together. But if you're not sure how to do this, should probably leave that to somebody that knows a little bit better, because this can get quite expensive. So left, right, this one, and the broken one if you have this problem. So yeah, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. And if you have anything else that you would like me to show on MK4 Ford Focus station wagon, write in comments, and while we have this car I can make it. So thank you and see you next one.